Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. A beautiful new year to you all. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make a whitening luxury body milk. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So for this luxury body milk, you'll need Abonne Snail to serve as the base. You can also use any other whitening body lotion or cream as the base. Just be sure it works well for your skin type. Abonne Snail contains nano white glutathione, yoga extract, milk protein, and snail secretion filtrate, which brightens the skin, smoothens the skin, hydrates the skin, boosts collagen formation, and protects the skin from free radicals. You need Piment Doux, which contains fruit acids that whitens and unifies the skin. You need preservatives to help preserve and make this luxury milk last longer. You need Propylene Glycol to help the whitening actives penetrate the skin. You need Whitening Kenacol, which whitens the skin. It reduces green veins, stretch marks, and bleaching cream reaction. You need Rosehip Essential Oil, which moisturizes the skin. It unifies the skin tone, treats wrinkles, increases skin elasticity, and protects the skin from sunburn. You need Shenic 3 days result, which treats and prevents cream reactions, eczema, rashes, sunburn, and bleaching cream reaction. You need Feah Serum, which lightens the skin. It unifies and glows the skin. You need Gluta Magic Serum, which lightens and unifies the skin. It reduces red spots, black spots, and it glows the skin. So guys, the full measurements will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out when making yours. So after putting all the ingredients, I'm just mixing it properly. This is a very small quantity, that's why I'm mixing with a spatula. If you're making more than this, you would want to mix with your hand mixer to be sure it is smooth. Guys, this luxury body milk is good for all skin types and tone. It treats sunburn, cream reactions, it repairs the skin and whitens it at the same time. It also clears dark spots, it unifies the skin tone, it glows the skin, it reduces hyperpigmentation and lightens dark areas of the skin. This luxury body milk will leave your skin looking like milk. While using this body milk, be sure to scrub your skin at least twice a week to achieve that flawless white skin. This luxury body milk is super effective. You can try it out and drop comments on how best it's worked for you. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do this, forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.